I'll explain about admin and client users, and also there's a logout button on the dashboard that you need to create. So I'll show you how to add clients. So let's say you have developed this application, right? This is a home automation application, and this is a developer login, right? What you see here as everything is a developer, but what the client will see is this one. So this is the view the client will see, right? This is a dashboard we created for the client. And let's say if we want to give a client username and password to see that dashboard, we can click on this icon, add client. Here we can give the username and password for that client. Let's say whatever we want to give. For example, we can put here client ID, maybe SSCL, or could be just a client actually, because SSCL is our admin user. We can do XYZ, yeah, client XYZ one. Maybe there may be multiple XYZ, and then we can put any password that we want, right? I'm not going to tell you what password I put there, and because there's a here. Here I need to put the dashboard URL. See this dashboard URL? You copy this from here and just put it here. That's it. And save changes. Now this client successfully registered, right? So got it. Now I log out, and when the client log in on the same page where I log in, right? This client access SSL whatever, and the password I set. When I log in, it will directly take me to the dashboard. You see here, this one. So the client will see this. So if let's say if I run application behind, the client will see everything. Yeah. And yeah, so obviously when you create these applications, you'd see that the client cannot log out. So I want to also cover the logout button in this video, how to create a logout button in this video for the client. Because every application you create, you have to create a logout button, which I missed out in other tutorials. So I'm taking opportunity to create a logout button in this tutorial. So I'm going to go back to my developer login, and that was the application where I created the client. So I'm going to go into this editor, and here I created this application from template smart home, and I want to add a logout button. So let's do logout button. So there are two flows, right? And let's do the logout button here. Okay. I need to first pick up template node, and template nodes basically enable you to write CSS, JavaScript, that you can put in there. And here I have already written some code for logout button, which I can just simply copy paste here. I did that logout button. This is the whole code I already written as a HTML code. And what I want to do is I want to group this logout button in information at home, and that specifies where I want this button to appear, right? So if I run this now, I will see the logout buttons here on information. Remember I selected information as a group. So, and you can choose any group wherever you want the logout button to appear. Okay. Okay. So now if the client log in again, he will see this logout button there. Previously the logout button wasn't there. So let's say I go and log out from here and log in as a client. I did XYZ client, this one, client XYZ, login, and I will see that logout button there. Here we go. You see, this is a logout button. And in this video, we not only covered how to create a client, but also how to add a logout button, which I missed out in other tutorial. So I thought I'll take this opportunity to explain you how to actually create a logout button. So yeah, now let's see how we will add no more users. We have basically admin account, right, which I'm not going to give you username and password. So this would be with SSAL lab, but just want to show our software how it creates admin accounts. So this is our SmartIoT admin account. Here I can create users. For example, if a student wants from me, more accounts, or a lab researcher wants it. These are all different accounts we already created. I can create a new account by simply signing up. So right now we have disabled the self sign up, but if you contact Smart System Engineering Lab, they can create this account exactly the way I'm doing for you. Obviously you have to provide SSCL with username, email, and they will create the password, and then you can change the password later on yourself, like this. So I'm gonna do this demo user email, and then set the password here. I didn't need to do this, by the way, but it's just because since I'm making the videos, I thought I covered all the admin aspects of the software as well. But this is obvious, admin user can create accounts, but here, since I'm here, so why not to just go? I select this as a personal account. Password didn't match. I knew that. Okay. All right. My password is blah 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 blah. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. There we go. See, successfully registered, and I can now continue. And you see this new user which I created here as well, and I can just log in using that. Here we go. So this is a new user, demo user SSL, which I created, and this way the admin can create users as well for you. So this video actually covered the administrative side of things, right? For SSL admin. So just to give you an idea about the capabilities, I hope you like it. Thank you.